Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be doing the unbagging for my Birchbox for the month of April. If you guys want to know what I got in my bag, then keep on watching. Guys, so before I show you guys what I got in my Birch bag for the month of April, I just want to welcome anyone new to my channel. Welcome, welcome, welcome all. My name is Aisha. I love all things makeup. I love makeup. I can't get enough of makeup. Hence why I started my channel. Your girl is always buying makeup subscription boxes. Your girl is always buying makeup. I'm always trying stuff. So now this is kind of like a dream job for me because I get to like try stuff all the time. I'm not getting paid for it, but I don't care. That's how you know you love something, when you do stuff for free. I would do this for free just because I just love makeup. And I was already getting these subscription boxes anyway prior to having a channel, so I was like, I might as well show everybody what I'm getting, just in case you guys ever want to get a makeup subscription bag or box from any of the ones that I have, and maybe it'll help you better choose it. I always give my honest opinion. I don't sugarcoat anything. So if you want a real honest opinion and a real girl, then like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Show me some love. It's greatly appreciated. Alrighty, so can anyone look in my hand and tell me what is wrong with this? Like, what's wrong? I give you guys a second to guess. Take a look at my hand. What is off with this right now? Alrighty, time's up. I don't have the box because Birchbox always they always give a box in the box. Look Fantastic is infamous for that. So is Glossy Box sometimes too. Glossy Box, Look Fantastic, and Birchbox. So I ripped the box open, and then I looked inside, and I'm like, oh my gosh, there's no box. So now I have everything. But anybody who has Birchbox, you know, it's always a box in a box, because their boxes are so beautifully curated. I guess they don't want to get the boxes messed up. If you look at my previous Birchbox videos, I'll link them down below, my Birchbox playlist. You'll see that the boxes are always so beautifully done. So I'm guessing they don't want to get them dirty. And they give you like a fake Birchbox box, and then to get to the real box. The box to get to the box. It's a box in a box. Box in a box. But this time there was no box in a box. So then I read up on it. I was reading my Birchbox email, and they said that they're trying to be more environmental friendly, and more the boxes, they want to be more sustainable. So they're not going to be doing the boxes in the boxes anymore. I wish I would have seen that email first, so that way I would have a box to have for my thumbnail for you guys. But kind of ripped the box open, and I did it kind of savage style too. I was like, shh, like it wasn't even salvageable. So yeah, but yeah, so that was that. So that's why you guys don't see the actual box. But I like the packaging that everything came in inside the box. This is kind of cool, reusable type of bag here. We got a little card here. It's called How to Use Your Stasher Bag. So it gives you like a little picture of how you can use it here. So that's that. It says endlessly reusable silicone alternative to single-use plastic. It's microwavable ready, stovetop safe, freezer friendly, dishwasher safe, oven strong. So you can use this for a lot of things. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since I got 5 items in my bag. This box retails for $15. What I like about Birchbox, and which is why I still subscribe to Birchbox, I canceled a couple of my makeup subscription boxes because they just wasn't doing it for me. Laura was one of them. I canceled my Makeup Medusa subscription box, my Look Fantastic box, and I think my Glossy box. Just because I'm getting new, I got more new stuff for the channel. I give everybody a fair chance. Like Allure I had for a year, Look Fantastic I had for 6 months, Glossy Box I had for, I want to say, a year. Like, I give everything a decent amount of time to see if I like it, but if I'm not really liking it, I'm not gonna keep subscribing to it because I'd rather pay for something that I'm actually more excited for. So I have a lot of new boxes on my channel, and the old ones are bye-bye. So let's see what I got. The first thing here is his Wipe Out Swipes. Eco-friendly microfiber makeup removal pads. Oh my gosh, I just got these in my, I want to say my BoxyCharm. Like, I feel like every makeup subscription box is giving. These were like in my BoxyCharm. I don't know if it was in my premium. It was in my premium because I still didn't get my base yet. BoxyCharm, where is my base box? I just got an email, I want to say, like, today. Today is the April 19th, and I just got it saying that they were sending my my base box. So who knows when I'm gonna get it? Probably in May. But nevertheless, I got these new ones. Oh, this is cute though. She cute. She is cute. I definitely got these in another makeup subscription box as well. I don't remember what brand, but these look very familiar. So that's the thing when you have so much makeup subscription boxes, like they all like give the same stuff, but she cute. So I'm gonna keep these. So far I'm liking my first item. The second thing I got here is, so how much were those? Those wipes were, for a 6-pack is $20. This only comes with 2, so I don't know how much these cost. I got a Detox Leafy Green Sheet Mask. This is what she looks like. It's biodegradable. And they did say that they want to be like environmental friendly and get all like eco-friendly and all that stuff for everything that they curate in a box. So, oh wow, and I'm just looking and everything is, this says it that it's a biodegradable, eco-friendly. This says that it's eco-friendly. So they really wasn't playing. I wonder what made them change all of a sudden like that. This mask is, how much was this mask? It says a full-size mask is $5. The next thing I got is a Rose Spray by Grace and Stella. It's a hydrating facial spray. I love facial sprays. If you guys didn't see my playlist of like all my facial sprays, I want to say I have like 30 different setting sprays. I'll link that video down below if you guys want to see that as well. But I'm like obsessed with trying different setting powders, facial spray. I'm obsessed with trying everything. But let me smell this setting spray. Ooh, smells like roses. Hence rose spray. But this is what she looks like. Smells very nice. It reminds me of the Mario Badescu spray, but this smells a little bit more fragrancy. It says the full size of this retails for $25. The next thing I got is a Hydra Cream Glaze Plumping Care, Moisturizing Care. This is what she looks like. I'm trying to see, what is this though? Is it a moisturizer? To apply morning and evening to neck and after cleansing. So it's a moisturizer. That's gonna go away in my giveaway because you guys know I never keep any skincare. Then I got a beauty balm. I have, guys, comment down below if you guys know how to use beauty balms or what the heck is a beauty balm. Like, I never know how to use it or what to do with this. It says the full size of this is $12. Let me read what this does, because I'm like, I have no idea what a beauty balm is, but this is what she looks like. It says not just a lip balm. Oh, so you can use it as a lip balm. Okay, I knew that. This is your multi-use balm for anything, made with natural oils, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and squalene. It hydrates and conditions dry skin, helps promote skin barrier function, and leaves a protective layer that's light and soft. Applied to lips, cuticle, dry patches of skin, or anywhere you need. Refills sold separately on birchbox.com. Oh, Well, now I know what a beauty balm is. A balm that you can use for anything. You learn something new every day. Don't say I never taught you nothing. Alrighty, so let's see everything I got. I got a beauty balm, which I love. The setting spray, which I love. The makeup removal wipes, which I love. You can never have too much face mask, which I love. And I love this new bag. The only thing I wasn't thrilled about, which is always in every makeup subscription box, is when I get skincare. So I will not be keeping this. I'll give this away. But rather than that, I love everything. And this bag, let me see if it's easy to close. The bag is very easy to close as well. This is what she looks like. Super, 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 super excited for everything I got. What do you guys think about my Birchbox bag this month? I would give it an 8 out of 10. I only give like 9 or a 10 if there was something that I was super excited to get in the bag. But there was something that I was honestly super excited for, but I will definitely use the items that I got. So yeah, that's really about it for my video today. If you haven't already, give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment or subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Show your girl some love to my channel. Become a part of my YouTube family. Love and miss you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next video.